Her real name is Nilay Deniz. Date of birth March 3rd, 1993. Present age she is currently 31 years old. She was born in Aden, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. Years active 2012 to present. His height is 5 feet 8 inches tall. His ethnicity is white. His zodiac sign is Taurus. Marital status, she is divorced. Her education is unknown. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. Her real name is Yagmur Yuksel. Date of birth January 21, 2002. Present age she is currently 22 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. Years active 2021 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Aquarius. Marital status, she is unmarried. Her education is unknown. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.